Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing HP Spectre 360 degree, the one I've just got after an order here. So I'm unboxing this one. One of the best thing to not unbox from this side but this side, because in case you have to return it and any supplier says that it is not ready for return, you can still put a tape there provided they agree. Let me just unbox it as quickly as possible. I like stuff, but this technique is really good. This, and you have to carefully pull this out. Yeah. Okay, everyone, so just hold your breath and see. So this is the box. I think they have put charger here. Hold your horses of excitement. Just gonna show you. Oh, they have winky wanky smally charger. Yay! So this is amazing. And they have put a sleeve also. That's why it's about the craze for the things which are delivered by HP. That's what I like. This is one of the best fine leather sleeve, and can you believe it? It will be this much thin to fit inside. See, right? Okay, now let's go inside the box. Just putting this away. Who needs the golden buzzer? See Spectre. Stop kar do bhi.